Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Alice and today I'll be showing you how to transform a lampshade using straws. The inspo for this DIY is this lampshade, the gold one that goes for around 8,950. I don't have that kind of money to buy a lampshade, so this is as good as it gets. This DIY was simple and to be honest, I used less than £10 to come up with this because I already had the lampshade. So stick around and see how it turned out. For this DIY, you'll need a lampshade. I'm using this one that I had before. You'll also need some hot glue sticks with hot glue gun. Spray paint. I'm using this matte black spray paint that I got from Aldi. You will need a chalkboard wall sticker. I'm using this one that I got from Home Bargains. And you'll need straws and a pair of scissors. This point is optional, but I decided to use the chalkboard wall sticker because I easily get bored of having the same design for a long time, so I'm using it to just cover the lampshade and preserve it, so in case in 2 or 3 months down the line I get bored, I can just rip it out and still use the lampshade without replacing it. But for someone that is happy to have the same design for a long time, you can go ahead and spray paint directly into the lampshade. So just go ahead and cover the lampshade with the chalkboard wall sticker, or if you have any leftover wallpaper you can also use it. So if you're using this method, make sure every part of the lampshade is covered so you don't get spray paint into the lampshade. And this is how the lampshade should look like at the end. I'm using a crafty knife to get rid of any excess chalkboard wall sticker, and just to give it a clean look. So if you don't have a crafty knife, I presume you could use a pair of scissors or something like that. But I found this method to be more effective and quicker and kind of give good results compared to using. Do the same for the other side. You can now go ahead and come up with a pattern on how you want the straws to look like on the lampshade. So you can make a template before you start hot gluing it, or you can just go with the flow and come up with a pattern as you hot glue it. Once you know the kind of design that you want, then go ahead and glue the straws onto the lampshade. And this is the kind of pattern that I went with. And for this DIY, I used around 5 to 6 packs of straws, which had 45 straws. So depending on the size of your lampshade, you might need more or less straws. So just keep on repeating the pattern around the lampshade. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to click on the bell icon so you get all the latest updates and notification. And if you like this type of videos, you can also subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any videos. So this is how the lampshade look like after adding all the straws to it, and I'm very impressed on how it turned out. Not a bad job. What do you guys think? So I went ahead and used masking tape to tape the inside of the lampshade. As I'd mentioned earlier on, I quickly get bored of the same design, so by doing this I'll be able to reuse the lampshade if I want to for a different design without having to get a new one. So if you don't mind spray painting your lampshade, you can go ahead and skip this step and just use the spray paint to spray paint the straws on the lampshade. Now you can go ahead and spray paint the lampshade and the straws using the color of your choice. I'm using matte black spray paint that I got from Aldi. I did this video in the evening, so it was getting dark, so I just went outside and quickly spray painted it without recording. So this is how the lampshade turned out. As you can see, some places did not have enough spray paint as I did this video in the evening. So if you have acrylic paint, you can just go ahead and use it over the areas that did not get enough paint. If you like this video so far, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and also you can subscribe to my channel. Once the paint is dried, then just remove the masking tape and your lampshade is ready to be hung. So this is the before picture of how the lampshade used to look like. So this is how the lampshade turned out, and this is how it looks like in the evening. I love the shadow that it gives out. It makes the place look really cool. This is how the lampshade looks like in the afternoon. It looks so beautiful. I'm really pleased with it. This is the quick and easy way of transforming a boring lampshade into something classy and fancy. Do let me know if you're gonna try this DIY in the comment section below, and also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!